The wrap and drop techniques produce a very open stitch pattern in knitting. Cast on the number of stitches according to the pattern. Knit the first stitch. Wrap the yarn twice around the needle. Knit the next stitch. Wrap the yarn twice. Knit the next stitch. Continue with wrapping and knitting until the end of the row. The last stitch will be a knit stitch. For the next row, knit the first loop. Drop the next 2 loops. Knit the next loop. Drop the next 2 loops. Knit the next loop. Drop the next 2 loops. You will end the row with a knit stitch. Continue with this process according to the pattern.